In this section, we're going to increase the difficulty a little bit by adding 2 steps to this. So the first thing we're going to do is 1, the distributive property. And then we are going to combine like terms. So when we do distributive property, we take what's in front of the parentheses and multiply. So negative 7 times 5 is 5b is going to be negative 35b. Again, if we took a line and put it here, we would see that this 10 is negative. So negative 7 times negative 10 is positive 70. And then we're just going to write down the 9b. Now we are going to combine our like terms, which is negative 35b and positive 9b. And when we combine them, we get negative 26b plus 70. There are no more like terms, so that is the answer for this one. Again, here we're going to do the distributive property first. So we're going to take the 10 and multiply everything inside the parentheses. So we're just going to write down the 6. 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. Here we're going to start again with the 6 in front. We're just going to write that down, and then we're going to multiply 10 and 3r, which would be positive 30r, and then 10 and negative 1, which would be negative 10. So the like terms would be 6 and negative 10. When we combine those, we get negative 4, and then we just bring the 30r down. So it's negative 4 plus 30r, and that is our answer. Here on this slide, again, it's negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2. Negative 2 times b, which is negative 2b, minus 5. Our like terms are negative 2 and negative 5. We combine them, negative 7 minus 2b, and that is our answer. Now you try it.